Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be learning about strategy pattern and we will see how we can utilize this pattern in Flutter. Suppose you are building an application and in your application sometimes you need fill button, sometimes you need outline button and sometimes you need text button. So rather than creating three different widget, what you can do, you can create one single widget and based on your requirement it will behave like outline button, fill button and text button. So in these kind of scenario strategy patterns comes into the picture. So we can say in short, one object many possible scenario. Okay, so rather than strategy pattern is a pattern where you can minimize the multiple rewriting. Suppose you are writing multiple if else at that point you can use this pattern. Okay, so let's uh, look at a demo of button which I discussed. We will create a button strategy and it will give us field, outline and text based on our requirement. So let's go ahead. We will create a file called button strategy. Okay, and this class will have a widget called build button and it will accept two params. One will be on pressed void callback and one will be button label. Let's make it on pressed. Okay, now let's create field icon design. So field button implements button strategy. We need to override this build button. We will give a style here. Style from background color. We will give colors dot blue. Foreground color will be white. Let's give a padding to it. Symmetric horizontal 620. Let's give 20 and vertical let's give 12. We can give shape also. So shape will be rounded rectangular border and border radius let's give 12. Border radius dot circular 12. So this is our fill button. So fill button is done. Now let's create outline button. It will return again same, it will return outline button. Okay, text label. Now we need a style for this button as well. We'll give a style outline button dot style from. Let's make change this custom fill button, custom outline button, and style from. Foreground colors will be white, background color will give, no, we don't have to give background, let's give a side border we need, then it will be outline. So cons border style, we will give border side color, we will give colors dot blue. Okay, and width, border width we will give true. Padding, we will copy the same padding, this padding itself, this one, this padding, same copy paste. And shape also we will give the same, let's give the same shape. So outline button is done. Now let's create custom text button. And it will be a normal text button. So it will return text button. Okay, child will be text and label. Okay, we can give a style to this as well. Text button dot style from. Foreground colors dot white, foreground color, no, blue, blue. And padding, we'll give the CVM padding here as well. So these are three our buttons. So what we did actually, so we have created a button strategy, and this is having a build button method, and we are overriding the same method. We have custom button, outline button, and text button. Now let's see how we can utilize this with one single custom widget. So what we will do, simply we will create a custom app button dot, and it will be a stateless widget. So stless custom app button. Okay, now what are the parameters we will accept here? Button strategy, and it will be strategy. We will take button label, then we will take void callback action. So void callback on pressed. Okay, let's add these here. Required this dot label, required this dot on pressed. Okay, now let's build our button. Simply strategy dot build button. Done. Our custom widget is done. Now let's use in our UI side how we can use that. Simply let's remove this is auto generated code when you will create a Flutter project, it is auto generated. Let's create a file home screen dot and it will be home screen. We will return a scaffold app bar title text home and body will be column children. So and here we will call all our button. Let's make this into center first, cross access alignment also center, so button all button will be in center, and custom button, custom app button, and here we will give outline, then we will pass outline strategy, outline custom outline button, custom, what is the strategy for custom button outline button, this one. So we'll copy this, we'll paste here, custom outline button, put this on press, nothing, just write something pressed. Okay, and one will be filled, so it will be custom field button. Okay, let's change the name to strategy actually rather than field strategy. So field strategy, outline strategy, text strategy. Okay, now outline strategy, field strategy. Now it will be a text button, so text strategy, and it will be text. Now done. We will call this home screen here in our main app, so remove this home screen. Now let's run our app. Before that, let's try to understand what I did. I have created a custom widget and we are taking the strategy, okay, button strategy. So what are the strategy here? Basically we created a abstract class with build button widget method, and we are overriding this method with our buttons style, like for field this will be the style, for outline this will be the style, for the text this will be the style, and we are created a custom widget which will take a strategy label on pressed. Okay, and here we are passing a strategy, it is outline button strategy label and then on pressed method. Now let's run this app. Yeah, so now you can see this is outline button, fill button, text button. So we don't have to create multiple buttons, just multiple widgets. You just need one widget that will do everything. We just need to create a strategy. So in what are the scenarios you can use this pattern: authentication or validation, when you are doing the form validation like phone number, email validation. So you just need to create one validation method and you can overwrite it and you can create a strategy. So in validation, form validation, in authentication, in payments, sorting, so in this kind of scenario you can use this strategy pattern. I hope you like this video. Follow for the more. Thank you for watching the video.